to those investigations, inappropriate for me to comment on them. I will say, though, I will comment on my personal engagement as it relates to this partnership that goes back, as you know, almost a year, goes back to February when it was highlighted and extends today. That's been a good working relationship.
Just to be sure, I mean, it sounds like you've been pictured with the DeLong family who are the subject of this investigation. It also appears that your Attorney General, Rob Bonta, appears to have some very close ties to this family. Do you know the family yourself, and do you have any concerns about Bonta's involvement with that family?
I don't know anything about the Attorney General's involvement with anyone as it relates to those individuals. I don't. I imagine. No association with them, and I imagine had some passing meetings or something somewhere. So, but beyond that, absolutely nothing.
And lastly, just to be sure, I mean, do you have any sort of lingering doubts about the ability for Oakland to deal with a lot of these issues that you obviously are very passionate about here, just given the turmoil that's happened here recently?
Well, we're here for a reason. Try to bolster this community, let them know we have their back. We said we'd come back. We're here in that spirit, in that light. We can't be here forever. We're here for the next 4 months, and we'll see what happens in the next 4 months. But we said we were firm in our commitment. We weren't going to walk away. And the fact that we're here is, you perhaps can read between the lines, for a reason. We're back.
Hi, Governor. I'm Annalise Finney for KQED News. I just have a quick question. Last month, your office appointed ADA Michael Nieto from the Alameda District Attorney's Office to the Superior Court in Contra Costa. ADA Nieto is currently under review for potentially having been part of an office-wide practice of denying Black and Jewish jurors the opportunity to serve on death penalty cases. Was your office aware of this review when you made that appointment?
Yeah, we weren't. We have a judicial process. It's very exhaustive. Goes through the Jenny and JSAC commissions. None of this was brought up in any of those analyses or investigations. JSAC actually had him as extremely well qualified. Jenny is well qualified, active in La Raza law and mentorship programs, and he ironically was the one supervisor in the Alameda County DA's office on the narcotic cases. Now he's gone. That said, that investigation also is being advanced in the GO, as we refer to it, with my judicial team. They're interviewing the individual, and they'll be assessing the merits of those allegations as well and providing me an update on that very, very shortly.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Governor, good morning. Ryan Curry with ABC 7 News. We talked about the Attorney General's involvement here, but for the cases that do go before the Alameda County DA, how would you like her to act and respond?
Look, we're not removing all the cases. I don't want to overstate this. We're just going to provide support for complex cases that are labor intensive, so she can focus on the bulk of the cases that are in front of her. We're just trying to provide more resources and be more resourceful. She chose not to embrace that path, and we have a mechanism with the AG's office, the Department of Justice, to do just that. Look, she was independently elected. I'm not here to offer advice or counsel. I can only observe what I've observed. We extended a hand of partnership. Unfortunately, it wasn't reciprocated. And good people could disagree. She may have had strong opinions. It appears she did. We never got a detailed understanding of what the issue was. Initially, she showed interest in that partnership, and it just never materialized. But we don't have time. We just don't have time. People don't want to wait another hour, another day. They don't want to go through another weekend. The Juneteenth activities here, what's happened with these retail theft. I've been down there. I've been meeting with a lot of these gas station folks down there in Hagenberger and elsewhere. I appreciate the role and the job of governor, representing a state larger than 21 state populations combined, 478 cities. I was a former mayor. I understand my role as former mayor. Also understand my role as governor. I'm doing my best here to provide support and resources, but the role in our jurisdiction is also clear, and that's why this is a 4-month operation. It's not a permanent operation. We're not here to take all the prosecution away from the DA, not not even close, just to support and reduce some of that stress on the complex cases. And AG's office is well equipped to do that. And we are providing that support if the AG needs it for our JAGs. We have one in particular, 25 years of remarkable experience from Southern California, is ready to come on up, take these cases next level, rock star. And we're just eager to get moving.
Governor, thank you.
Thank you. With that, well, that's a good way to end. Eager to get moving. I'll end this as I always end this. We'll be back. And we have your back, Oakland and Alameda. You matter. We care. And we have a lot more work to do together. Thank you all very much.